My name is Jennifer Yee, and I'm the owner and operator of Goin Left. Goin Left is an eclectic surf boutique located at the heart of Lahaina, and we focus on surf, camping, art, and plants. What do I love about Lahaina? Hands down, my favorite thing is the history. I see old photographs of Lahaina, Lahaina Harbor, the smokestack, and I think it's just the coolest thing to be able to live here and surf here, and it just is a real privilege to be a part of this community. My second favorite thing about Lahaina is business-wise, I feel so embraced in this community, and I truly feel like I'm welcome, and it just warms my heart to be here. When you actually venture off of Front Street, you can find unique small businesses like Goin Left.